Good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about the short story Appointment in Samara by William Somerset Maugham. William Somerset Maugham was born in 1874 and he passed away 1964. Somerset Maugham is British playwright and short story writer. He was in Paris. At the age of 10, he lost his parents and he started living with his uncle and aunt in England. Somerset Maugham was infant qualified surgeon, but he did not practice it. He wanted to write, so his first novel is Lisa of Lambeth, and this was published 1907. It was written his experience as a medical student. Notable novels of our Somerset Maugham are Of Human Bondage. It was published in 1915 and The Cake and Alley was published in 1930. During the First World War, Somerset Maugham served an ambulance driver. In fact, there are other drivers like A.A. Flemings and also Venance Hemingway who served as ambulance drivers and taught these people. These drivers are known as literary ambulance drivers. He had also worked for British Civil Intelligence Service and from that experience, Somerset Maugham who wrote Esbonton or the British Agent. It was published in 1928. A notable plays of Somerset Maugham are The Unknown, which was published in 1920, and The Condensed Wife, which was published in 1927. He rescued information about the work Appointment in Samara. Samara is on the city stands on east bank of the Tigris. Tigris is a river and Samara actually first city in Iraq. So it bank of the river Tigris. This particular city earlier called Surah Man Rai. It means delight for all who see. The story is retelling of an Arabian tale and 9th century Arabian Sufi story, and the story was taken by Somerset Maugham and he included this tale at the end of his last play titled Sheppy, and it was published in 1933. So the play Sheppy, the central character of the play was character of Sheppy, and we can see the recent conversation between Death and Sheppy. Death had personified as a woman in the story, and we can say character Sheppy and Death. And the whole story, Appointment in Samara, is told by Death to Sheppy. So that is the situation. This tale is also included in Jeffrey Archer's collection of short stories. To cut a long story, short story. There was a merchant in Baghdad. He sent his servant to market to buy provisions. Soon the servant came back white and trembling. He said to the master that when he was in the marketplace he was jostled him. She showed a threatening gesture. The servant therefore asked him, master, to give him a horse so that he can avoid his fate. He will run away to Samara where death will not find him. The merchant gave him his horse. The servant mounted it. He made the horse run as fast as it could. Then the merchant went down to the marketplace. He saw Death standing there in the crowd. He then asked Death why she had frightened his servant by showing a threatening gesture that morning. Death told the merchant that it was not a threatening gesture, it was only a start of surprise. Death was astonished to see the servant in Baghdad, and she had an appointment with him that night in Samara. The theme of this story is anyone can't escape from death. A servant is thought that he will escape from death, but he doesn't know Death had an appointment with him in Samara. These are the various themes discussed in the story. Okay, hope you understand this. Okay, thank you.